Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use XPath in Selenium WebDriver. We'll start by understanding what XPath is and why it's crucial for web automation. You'll learn the basic syntax and how to construct simple XPath expressions to find elements. This foundational knowledge is essential for anyone looking to master web scraping or automated testing with Selenium. We'll cover both absolute and relative paths, giving you a solid starting point for more complex scenarios. Now, let's dive into the two main types of XPath, absolute and relative. Absolute XPath provides a direct, full path from the HTML root, like a street address from the city center. While precise, it's very fragile. Any small change in the page structure breaks it. Relative XPath, on the other hand, starts from a known point, making it much more flexible and resilient to minor page updates. We'll explore examples of both, highlighting why relative paths are often the better choice for reliable automation scripts. Moving beyond the basics, let's explore some advanced XPath techniques that will significantly boost your element locating capabilities. We'll look at using attributes such as @ID or @name to pinpoint elements accurately. Discover how functions like contains and starts with can help you find elements with partial text or attribute values. Furthermore, combining conditions with logical operators like and or allows for highly specific and robust element selection, making your Selenium scripts more powerful and less prone to errors. To wrap things up, here are some practical tips for effectively using XPath in Selenium. Always test your XPath expressions directly in your browser's developer tools before integrating them into your code. This saves a lot of debugging time. Prioritize using unique attributes like ID or name over generic tag names for more stable and reliable locators. Remember, a well-crafted XPath is key to robust automation. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.